Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix QR code scanner not working on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so turn on QR code. Turn on or turn off QR code 1 to 3 times, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search settings app. After search settings, and for example this is settings, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix QR code scanner not working on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.